mouth, right in my mouth. Woo! I'm already wearing my glow stick. Oh, you are.
There's Lynn walking back to the car.
So we just got done eating at Sushi Land, and a couple in front of us before they took the picture.
Undone.
So last minute plans, Mailbox Peak was closed. So we decided to go to Snoqualmie Falls since it was closer. And even though I've been here before and Tenzin's been here before, we haven't been on the bottom.
Yes.
So we'll check it out. So we're gonna try to figure out how to go down there. We're approaching this river access. I don't know if it'll lead us to the falls, but hopefully we're not too far away from the path that we need to go to get to the end of the falls. I don't know. Tenzin and I were just kind of winging it today.
Drive me a dessert.
Where did you find, what? Was that just there? That's so funny. Up. Ooh, look at this fun water slide.
Did 1 mile already.
All right. So this is where it really begins. Now this is an incline here.
I need to stop. I've been doing too much. I've been running too fast. I've been testing my luck. I've been living cloud nine. I've been at it all night. I've been feeling so loved. I've been waking up late. I've been making up shit. I've been spilling my guts. I've been feeling so blessed, but stressed all day. So I'm living out my dreams like every night. I love my life.
Hey guys, I haven't updated you guys in a while. I am at my cousin's house. I'm gonna hang out with my cousins now. I got done with the hike. Tenzin is working tonight, so we split off.
Come on, let's see the wallpaper. That's the test.
We're trying to see if Nathan has a girlfriend.
Yeah, let's see.
By looking at his wallpaper. Wait.
Oh whoa.
Oh wait. Oh my gosh. There's
oh my
someone.
goodness.
Wait.
Who might
who is
that
that?
be? Okay,
Wait,
now
no.
That's just a lock screen. That's just a lock screen. Where's the
Somebody.
wallpaper,
He's
buddy?
growing up so fast.
Aww. Wow. Oh. Called this meeting here today.
Dude, I'm thinking.
Is that a clam?
Shrimp.
Oh,
Hell yeah.
shrimp, sausage, bell pepper.
Got it? Get the sausage, girl. Wait, let me put this in. Thank you. That's my favorite. Look, my brother. He's so tall. Look, he's so handsome. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Are we singing? I'm going to bed and my stomach is sick and it's all in my head. Wow, Nathan has so much swag now.
Break it down, Desire. You are.
You are.
Love is no.
It's crazy. We finish each other's. That's what I was gonna say. We do. Let's open the door.
Trying to figure out Lynn's personality.
Oh, here. This is what I'm doing.
Looking at this book, it's a pretty good book.
The one who's showy, flashy, comes on strong.
I feel so...
You do not come on strong.
Yeah, you do not come on strong. But I feel so awkward talking about people's weaknesses because it's like, really, you think of me like this? You know what I mean? Are you gonna get offended? That's my first question.
Well, all 4 of them isn't something that I would want to be. They're all gonna be weaknesses, right? Just tell me what it is. I don't care.
But
isn't that how you helped Alan?
so
we're on our way to the Georgian.
You got a new camera? Let's vlog again.
People know you.
Oh, do they?
From the Chicago one.
Oh, from the Chicago one?
Yeah.
Oh, we did a dress shopping over here.
Oh.
My sister's wedding dress, but we didn't actually get it. But they have some pretty, like, the way they set up. Black tea has the highest content of caffeine. Green is the next, it's middle-ish. And then white tea has no caffeine in it.
I think I'll probably get this one.
Let's see.
I like sweet teas. What are you?
Some that are sweet and stuff like that. I'm just going to go with the Earl Grey. I always go with the Earl Grey. Earl Grey is a black tea. Chamomile. Chamomile? Oh, there's white sugar cubes in there too. Yeah, there's.
Do we like any ice water?
That's so cute.
Yes, please.
Oh my god.
So, is this our appetizer?
Take a picture? Are you recording?
I'm just recording us trying it.
It's good. According to the British way, you're supposed to put the
I don't like mine.
in the milk.
Crap. You want to try fruity? It's like,
If you want
I don't even know.
Oh, that's like that. Tons. Okay, go ahead and you get one for all.
Did you just butter?
Yeah, because she needs to put sugar.
Okay, let's dig in. Wait, so, Sung, that's your tray?
Yeah, that's her own drink.
What happened? I did the same thing.
Good.
Take me down, take me down. Take me down, take me down. Take me down, take me down. Take me down, take me down.
Like how you don't want to
We're gonna go to the Dollar Tree so we can decorate our shirts for tomorrow's Night Nation run. Pretty stoked. It was Sarah's idea.
Yeah!
So we're gonna go get some glow sticks because obviously it's a Night Nation run, so we'll be
That has a EDM thing.
running in the dark.
No, we will.
Wait, what?
Sunset's around 9. 8.
Okay, either way, it will get dark.
Well, yes.
So, that's...
I guess Christina can get a $1 thing because it'll leave her with $5. Which means she could buy something too.
Oh, right there. Wait.
Oh wow, right here. That was easy. Look, summer fun.
Where's Carla?
She's coming in.
Ooh, I want purple. So everybody cut their shirts. And so I did mine off the shoulder and then I tied it here.
Oh, how did my shirt look?
It looks good.
I'm happy to be in your vlog.
It's too late, Sung.
So this is the backyard. Tour of the backyard. We're trying to
So we're all here.
I don't know if I want to cut the seal a little more.
It looks, what do you mean? Why?
To make it more off the shoulder.
Oh, is it not doing? I guess mine is super off the shoulder.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Nah, I'm
yeah,
fine.
you should, no?
No, I'm fine.
So this is the kitchen.
Okay, so we're about to head off. You're in my mouth, right in my mouth.
Close your mouth. Sure. You're good.
Here, my legs, my legs, my legs, my legs, my legs. My belly, my belly.
You have like 1 inch
On it. Michelle, do you want to be sprayed?
Yes, please.
Okay.
hilarious.
Let me do her belly
I
first.
got a little right here.
Spray station.
Okay,
Work
you.
up tips, guys. Work up commission.
What's your mouth? And yours.
I like how you spray.
You didn't close. Tell me to close my mouth.
She likes me more.
What kind of service is this?
You tend to learn after each customer. Like.
9, 8, 7, 6.
What is the timer? Opera, guys. Come on, let me hear you sing it. I can't see the now I feel weird singing along to it.
We're saving money. This is our karaoke